Hello and welcome! So paano nga ba gumawa ng Google Forms? So ang unang gagawin is i-type lang natin itong Google Forms sa kahit anong browser at itap ang enter. And after nyan ay merong mga results, i-click lang natin itong pinakataas. And after nyan ay mapupunta tayo dito na page. Pindutin lang natin itong Go to Forms to continue. So para makapagsimula ay pindutin lang natin itong plus button to add a new project. So ang gagawin kong Google Form ay isang quiz. Para magawa yan ay pumunta muna tayo sa setting para ma-set up ang ating nanlalamig na relasyon. Then let's click this button to make this form a quiz. And after that ay ating scroll sa ilalim at hanapin natin ang points. Dito ay merong 10 points per question. Pwede mo yung baguhin kung anong gusto mo. And now let's proceed to responses. And dito makikita mo na madaming option. Click this to collect the email address of your respondents. While this option is letting the responders to have a copy of their answers. While this button is allowing the responders to edit their answers. While this button is to limit the respondents to answer your quiz. Turn on kung gusto mong isang Gmail lang per answer or turn off kung ayaw mo. And now let's proceed to the presentation. Turn this on if you want to show the progress bar and turn this on if you want to shuffle your question. So after mong ma-set up lahat, ay bumalik na tayo sa questions. Okay, let's edit our title. So let's say that our title is the quiz number 1. Then let's add a description. So answer honestly na lang ilalagay ko. Then let's add our first question. So for my first question, what is the first planet from the sun? Okay? And here is pwede kayong makapagpili kung anong type ang gusto nyo. Merong short answer, multiple choice, check boxes, and essay. But let's go with the multiple choice. Okay, ilagay natin ang ating choices. Meron akong Mars, and add tayo ng another option. Venus, and add pa ulit. So after nyan, click lang natin tong answer key and let's click this required. So ang question na ito ay merong 10 points kapag nasagutan ng tama. So answer key, then let's check the correct answer, which is ang Mercury. Okay, so yun na. So to add another question, click lang natin tong add button and pwede na ulit tayo makapag-add ng another question. Okay, so para sa question na ito is pwede kong baguhin ng points na makukuha kapag nasagutan ng tama. So dito is gagawin kong 20 points kapag nasagutan ng tama. Then don't forget to check the correct answer. So kung meron pa kayong another question, click nyo lang ulit yung add button, pero dito is okay na tayo. So click natin tong send and click this one for the link. Okay, so this is our link. So to shorten this, just click this shorten URL, then copy the link, and you're ready. Okay, let's try. I will just paste the link here. Okay, so yun na. So kung makikita nyo kung ano yung nilagay ko doon sa question, yun din ang lalabas dito. So try kong mag-answer. Okay, let's put our Gmail account here. Then let's start. So what is the first planet from the Sun? So the answer is Mercury. Meron tong 10 points kapag nasagutan. So click natin tong Mercury. So the second question is, what is the third planet from the Sun? So meron tong 20 points kapag nasagutan ng tama. So let's answer this wrong in purpose. So after you answer all the question, let's submit our answer by clicking this button. And as you can see, makikita nyo agad ang score. So let's view our score. Okay, view score. And meron lamang akong 10 over 30 points because I answered incorrectly in the last question. Okay, and let's go back here to see the answer of our respondent. So let's click this response. And makikita nyo dito na naka-record ang mga sumagot ng inyong Google Forms. Nandito ang Gmail and ang kanilang score. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.